Oh, you're vacuuming. Good job. Good job. Keep vacuuming. Yay. Hooray. He's actually vacuuming. Yay, I show Mama. Vacuum, yes. Yes, we're back, yeah. Good boy, yay. Yay. Hooray, yes, good boy. Yay! Uh-oh, your thing fell off. Your thing fell off. Here, let Papa put it back on. Hang on. Hang on. There you go. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Nicholas is vacuuming. Hooray! Yes! Yes! Show Mama! Hooray! You're vacuuming! Hooray! Yes, you're vacuuming! I'm even 15 months old and he's vacuuming. Almost 15 months. Good boy, yes! Hooray! You show Mama. You wave to Mama? You wave to Mama. I gotta show vacuuming. Good boy. Turn it around. Turn it around. There you go. Here you go, vacuum. There you go. Yeah, you're vacuuming. Isn't that funny? Are you funny? Are you being funny? Are you vacuuming? Vacuum. I know you love it. You keep vacuuming, sweetie. Come on. Don't bite it, no. You keep vacuuming. Yay. You keep vacuuming. Good boy. Uh-oh, it fell off again. It fell off again. You want Papa to fix it? Papa fix it. Okay, hang on. All right. Good boy. Are you vacuuming? Huh? You're silly, Nicholas. You are silly. Mama's gonna laugh. Is Mama gonna laugh when she sees you vacuuming? Huh? Good boy, yes, vacuum. Nicholas is vacuuming. Tape you for another minute, so it's been 4.5 minutes. Here you go, like this, there you go, stand it up. Yes. Yes. got that vacuum. You doing a good job? Are you doing a good job, honey? Good boy. Loves to vacuum. You love to vacuum? Vacuum, yes. You say that good, vacuum. Riot. Yes. Probably won't be any carpet left in that one spot, but that's okay. You're vacuuming like a big boy. Keeping you quiet anyways. Vacuum, yes. Yes. That nice bright red Dirt Devil vacuum. Right? I don't know why you like it so much. Yes. The Papa moved the living room around today, moved the TV over here, couch over there, chair over there. Huh? Much better this way, much better. Much better. He's been vacuuming about 7 minutes right now, just came up to be. Yep, you're vacuuming like a big boy. Yes, you are. You say hi, Mama? Whoop! Say hi, Mama. Nicholas. Nicholas. You say hi, Mama. He don't want to play with the camera. He wants to play with the vacuum. You say hi, Mama. You got it. You got it. Yes. Yes. Vacuum. Yes. I know you love it. Wicked bad. Don't ya? You love it. I know you do. Yes, you love to vacuum. Right? Okay, I guess that's enough, right? I know you can play forever. Coming up on 8.5 minutes, so I'm going to stop, okay? Say vacuum. Nicholas, vacuum. Vacuum. Bye. Vacuum.